Relevance AI versus N8N. In today's video, we're comparing two powerful platforms that can superchange workflows. Let's dive right in. First, we have here the Relevance. It has an advanced AI tools for data clustering, classification, and analysis, embedding generation for powerful similarity, searches, and recommendations, customizable dashboard for visualizing trends and insights. It also has an API-first approach for seamless integration with external apps, but it requires technical know-how to complex implementations and no native automation workflows, which needs external connections. This is best for business and developers who need AI-driven insights from large datasets like customer segmentation or recommendation system. Now let's dive into N8N. This is best for automation and workflow orchestration. It has a visual drag and drop workflow builder for seamless automation with over 200 integrations including Google Sheets, Discord, Slack, and more. It also customizable with built-in JavaScript functions and self-hosting option for privacy-focused workflows. But it requires technical knowledge for more advanced workflows, and UI can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. N8N is best for developers, small businesses, or team looking for automate process and connect multiple apps effortlessly without coding from scratch. Now to our final verdict. Use Relevance AI if your focus is on extracting insights from complex datasets using AI-powered tools like clustering, classifications, or recommendation systems. On the other hand, use N8N if you want to automate repetitive tasks and connect various service-story easy-to-build workflows with minimal coding. Thank you for watching.